Are you ready to elevate your confidence? Because you should elevate your confidence. The right courses are gonna teach you exactly how to get the most out of your drone, how to fly in low proximity, how to get the best videos, and simply take flight and elevate over the competition. This Black Friday, Drone U is offering our lowest prices of the whole year. And we do this every year, except this year we're adding one benefit we haven't done previously. We have every single one of our trainings, from drone mapping of mastering the different drone mapping softwares, to the cell tower and utility inspection course, all the way to our famous subject tracking course, where you can join us on the lake and honestly have an amazing time learning how to track boats, fly close, fly low, and capture action sports in a way that a lot of people just can't do. So if you're ready to elevate your confidence, then you've got to take advantage of these exclusive deals around Thanksgiving, because you can take advantage of our lowest prices for in-person courses and online courses. We've got the newest drones in our Don't Crash courses. That way you know how to avoid emergencies and get the most out of them. If you want to join me for a memorable experience you will never forget, but you're going to learn the skills to pay the bills. And more importantly, you're gonna master your confidence so that way you can get the jobs that you want. Be outside, love your work, and simply enjoy what you are doing. If you're ready to do all those things and elevate your confidence, then you gotta join us this Black Friday. Thanks for joining me. My name is Paul, and this is Drone U HQ.